This is the technical roadmap from beginner to production LangChain and LangGraph engineer. The goal is to move beyond prompt engineering and learn how to design modular, observable, secure AI systems. Level 1 is the foundation. Learn Python, APIs, prompt basics, and the message paradigm. In production systems, chat models work with structured system, human, and AI messages, not just loose text. At this stage, also learn tokenization and context windows. Models process tokens, and every prompt competes for limited space. Strong engineers keep templates concise and preserve the context for high-value information. Level 2 is orchestration with LangChain expression language. LCEL lets you build composable chains that are easy to inspect, swap, and test. Start with simple chains, then add sequential, conditional, and parallel flows. For enterprise use, vague text is not enough. Enforce deterministic outputs with typed dict, pydantic, and parsers, so model responses become reliable objects that downstream systems can validate. Level 3 is the RAG ecosystem. Load documents, split them carefully, embed chunks, store vectors, retrieve the top results, inject context into the prompt, and generate grounded answers from evidence. The retrieval layer is where many systems win or fail. Choose vector stores deliberately, tune chunking, and use maximal marginal relevance when you need both relevance and diversity in the retrieved context. Level 4 is LangGraph. Linear chains break down when the workflow needs loops. LangGraph gives you state schemas, nodes, and conditional edges so agents can reason, act, observe, and repeat until a stop condition is met. Production agent workflows need persistence and human-in-the-loop control. Save graph state to durable storage, pause for approval on high-risk actions, and resume cleanly after the human decision. Level 5 is productionization. Deploy chains and graphs as services, monitor them with trace logs, evaluate against ground truth datasets, and make bottlenecks visible before users feel them. Finally, treat security as architecture. Use least privilege tools, sandbox external access, watch for prompt injection, account for third-party dependency risk, and adjust permissions based on user role and application state. The finished engineer can build more than demos. They can compose chains, ground models in data, manage agent state, observe behavior, and ship systems that are reliable enough for real users.